Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing recipe. Put these ingredients in your hair shampoo and it accelerates hair growth naturally. It will get you long and shiny and strong hair with very simple ingredients. You can triple your hair growth naturally and it's going to work for you 100%. It's going to protect your hair and double hair growth and thicken your hair naturally. It fights baldness and it fights all the hair loss naturally. The first ingredient we will need is shampoo, and here I'm using Johnson baby shampoo, and add around 1 teaspoon of Johnson baby shampoo. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of rice flour, and here I have the rice grinded fine into flour. You need to get it and grind it fine like so. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of natural honey, يعني شهد. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and this will enhance the result 100%. Now mix the ingredients very well. Now wash your hair with this remedy. Will grow your hair super fast to the point that you will actually need to cut it, and it's going to work for you 100%. It's super effective. It's Asian secret to grow hair super fast, and even if you don't have the right genetics to grow your hair super fast, this will work for you. It fights baldness and hair loss naturally, and my friends, the result will amaze you. Use it 2 times a week to get the best results. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.